Fitness sports products for sale. Chapter 1. Some fitness sports products. Balance boards for sale. Indoboard.com, balance training devices for both fun and physical training. buy-indo-boards.com, a discount beach gear store. Indoeurope.com, balance boards. Martial arts product websites. amas.net, American martial arts supply. ambersports.com. chongimports.com/kungfu. fight-gear.com. greatmartialartsstuff.com, martial arts supply. hondamartialarts.com. hsujudo.com. ippon-usa.com. karatedepot.com. kicktech.net. punishmentclothing.com. superfoots.com. superiormartialarts.com, superior martial arts supplies. turtlepress.com. woodandummy.net, dummy training devices. Martial arts products for sale. Asian World of Martial Arts. 917 Arch St. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19107. 800-345-2962. awma.com. Books. Century Martial Arts Supply Inc. 1705 National Boulevard, Midwest City, Oklahoma 73110. 800-626-2787. centuryma.com. cliffkeen.com. 800-992-0799. eastbay.com. 800-826-2205. Pilsung Martial Arts. 800-992-0388. pil-sung.com. turtlepress.com. 800-77 Turtle. Books. yma.com. 800-669-8892. Skateboards, rollerblades. armorymylorder.com. canadaboardsupply.ca. cometskateboards.com. ecohouse.com. xskate.com. freeboard.ca. frprogressors.com. gtrolling.com. kurgene.com. parkour.com. proskates.com. rollerblade.com. rawlingskating.org. skateboard.com. skateboarding.com. skatecity.com. skatesource.net. zprod.com. ccmsports.com. 800-451-4600. hypnoskates.com. 800-655-2431. intensity.com. 800-965-5050. oceanhockey.com. 800-631-2159. rollerwarehouse.com. 800-772-2502. sportworks.com. 800-362-3434. teamparadise.com. 800-756-5629. technicausa.com. 800-258-3897. the-house.com. 800-409-7669. rightlife.com. 800-321-8833. Trampoline products. International Adventure and Trampoline Park Association. indooradventureparks.org. 1800trampolines.com. 800-872-6765. ajlandmark.com. 800-869-7335. ijumpusa.com. jumpsport.com, Jump Sport. trampmaster.com. trampoline.com, trampolines. danaplayground.com. 800-676-5841.